Hi everybody, we are TorrescallaGroup. I'm Tommaso.
I'm Gabriele. I'm Alessandro.
I'm Matteo.
This is our presentation for the solution of the case study.
Hi, I'll explain you task 1. In order to detect which clients are the most profitable, we determine revenues and expenditures per category of customers. We can derive the weight of each cluster of customers on total revenues analyzing graph at page 8, sales of PTG in 2011. Below are the values converted in percentage terms. Therefore, we develop a table for the various membership, where the total number of customers is displayed. For the cost calculation, we consider only variable cost, since fixed costs are assumed to be equally shared amongst all customers. Just having obtained revenues and costs per segment, we can rank segments according to profitability. As shown in the table, the most profitable segments in absolute terms are middle age and youth. The least profitable in absolute terms are upper classes and masculine.
This is the part about channel efficacy analysis. From data we produced, we can establish which is the cost of the secondary channel, assuming that advertising is the most important channel and so the primary one. From information provided, it is not easy to get the true economic result of each channel. We assume that when the text says File monthly membership, it refers to a fully typed membership, while when it says combined, it intends a full ticket membership. Therefore, we calculated the mean value of a full-time membership, since we didn't have clear information about whether converted customers would have chosen a full ticket, gym only, pool only, or trainings only. With such a mean value, we calculated the economic advantage of addressers, as you can see here, and website channel. Underline also a differentiation between one-time clients and converted clients, and the effectiveness of the promotion. At this stage, we depicted the effectiveness of each promotion in terms of total customers who visit Big Gym, so converted plus one time, and of converted customers. Data show that advertising channel is far more efficient than the others, bringing the highest number of new customers. It also has a considerably higher cost. But on the other hand, being the web promotion low cost and not so distant in terms of visitors with respect to advertising, it has a great potential in terms of efficacy. However, it does not generate long-lasting customers, but essentially one-time visitors. We consider this mix of channels an optimal choice, because it ensures a good flow of visitors and of converted customers, but we suggest to strengthen visibility on the website channel, since additional costs are extremely low. More insights about our commercial and marketing proposals are disclosed at task 3.
Now I'm going to explain task 2. After an analysis, we discovered that FitLife had 7 centers against Peak's 5 centers, and then that the FitLife is more aggressive on the market than Peak Gym. Our strategy is based on 2 principal points. The first one is to push down prices to match FitLife's pricing table. This has to be done only for the most price-sensitive clients, like students. The second one is a promo campaign. For example, there are some possible promotion. Bring a friend or discount subject to conditions.
Here are task 3. We analyzed some customers' portfolio and we discovered that there are some increasing trends in demand for in the nutritional field, in the group trainings over individual lessons, in non-traditional sports activities like capoeira and yoga, and there is a potential growth in the youth sector due to the opening of the university. As you can see from the chart, the combination full ticket, full time, is the one which is more beneficial for our company. So in all of our strategies we are trying to develop this kind of combination. Analyzing our financial position, we individuated some strengths and some weaknesses. Among the strengths there is our low debt over equity ratio, taking into account only long-term debt, and there is receivables. But we have strong deficiencies in the high short-term level of debt and in the highest variable costs, which trigger down our ROE ratio. The low-cost strategy envisages a cut of prices below all the prices of FitLife and a cut of personnel in order to reduce variable costs, which are too high. As you can see from the chart, the actual level of revenues will be reachable only in 2015, and moreover, we dislike this kind of strategy because it will lead to a competition all about fund that is based on lowering prices. The acquisition strategy. In the acquisition strategy, we plan to acquire our main competitor, which is FitLife, through an LBO, financed through a mix of debt and equity. At least 20% of the funds will be provided by capital. The acquisition will occur through a new co, and the costs will be covered through the cash flows. Anyway, the main problem with this strategy is that the long-term debt ratio will rise above the ceiling of 2, which in our opinion is too risky. The last strategy, which is our preferred strategy, entails a combination of price and review, pricing targeting and price discrimination. Basically, we would like to take our prices and divide them according to the sensitiveness of our customers in order to maintain lower prices for youngsters and higher prices for the less sensitive customers. We would like to carry out covenant with university in order to gain the whole market share of youngsters, to propose strong discounts to the youth segment, to open new nutritional shops and sportswear, and to diversify our centers according to the location and to the target customers. The Center 1 will be dedicated mainly to youngsters with the opening of a huge polyfunctional center, while the Centers 2 and 3 will be dedicated to upper and mid class. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye from Torrescalla Group.